So here we have a Lenovo laptop. The user has damaged the hinges so bad that it's completely ripped out of the case. The case is damaged on the side as well. We ordered her a donor laptop, which is the same exact model. It's completely like new. So I'll be swapping parts to make the original one whole again. First is I'm gonna take my screwdriver. There's a few screws missing, so I'm just gonna skip over them. Spudger's coming in handy. I'm using it to remove the case. Still got this one in here. Alright, this is off now. The hinges tore through this plastic piece right here. What I'm gonna have to do is just open this one up similarly and just start literally putting piece in by piece into there. Just gonna start taking this off. Alright, so I'm using the second laptop to start taking off all the parts essentially. So I'm preparing the second laptop that has the good case. I'm going to take the motherboard out and I'm just going to put her motherboard and hard drive in here. I'm taking off the Wi-Fi. I'm just unwrapping the cables from everything. I'm going to start taking some things off the board. Take this out as well, the battery screw, so I have a little bit more freedom to lift it up. This fan's got to come up and out. This display cable's got to come up and out, like that. Screw right here. So there is the main guts to the computer for the reassembly. I'm going to start taking this apart. I got the two cables unplugged. I'm taking off data cable right here. Doing the exact same thing that I did previously. I'm taking out the main board. Take the Wi-Fi cords out. Taking her SSD out right here. We're gonna put this in the new good chassis and everything's gonna fit perfectly. Secure the fan since that seems to keep the entire board down. Actually, I'm gonna put the SSD in first. Resecuring the motherboard with motherboard screws. Okay, there it is. The computer is built. So I'm just using a heat gun to take these decals off. There we go, that's one. Two, came off super easy. This actually looks like it's going to come off with some alcohol. So it takes a while for this adhesive to come off, but it does come off if you keep rubbing it. Got the finished product right here. You can see everything's working good. I'm back. Everything seems to be working pretty good. Caps lock on, Windows key. She's got the hinges working and everything. You can see in this old one, completely coming out.